you did see the thumbnail right. I ended up with a profit this week.
Please, it's too much winning.
It's a miracle in my eyes. I didn't think it would happen. I've ended up 1% up, which doesn't sound like a lot, but compared to last week, I've made 2%. But it's bittersweet. This week, I missed a big trade. I only got a 1 to 3, as I was explaining in the last video, and it went to 1 to 7. I missed out on £400. That's 4%. Then I'll show you. This absolutely mortified me. It's a textbook head and shoulders. I got an entry on that retest right there. It went down, down and down. I got a pullback, got scared, took out at a 1 to 3. Later on, about 5 hours later, it would have hit a 1 to 7, all the way down there. That's £400 missed that I could have used. But there's no point getting caught up on missed wins because I am 2% up from last week, so I'd call that progress. Here's a daily breakdown of what happened this week. As you can see, there's a lot less trades than there was last week. Monday was a bit dodgy, but that's just when I was getting into the swing of my own plan. As you can see on Tuesday, that's the day where I got the 3% win. And underneath that, you can see I got some re-entries. That's where I realised it was going to keep going down. I wanted more money, but then I got scared of pullback, so I thought, stop, you've got your profit, just take out completely and leave it. And although it did go down, I'm happy I did that because I was sticking to my plan. I wasn't getting any re-entries. As for Wednesday, there were 2 of my own trades and I was getting fearful, so I had to take out of them as well. Thursday I had no trades and Friday I had 1 with the same problem. Got break even because I got scared of a pullback. Analysing all this, I can tell what my problem is. It's the fear of missing out and the fear of getting a loss. One thing I've realised this week is since Trump has been elected as the new president, the markets have been absolutely crazy.
Please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more.
It seems like they're just so much more volatile and they're not really sticking to a certain structure. So I feel like the next few weeks is just going to be adapting to this change. I think this is because Biden didn't really do much. I'm not a great politician. I don't really know what's gone on, but I think the presidency has affected the markets quite a lot. You'll be able to see that in week 3 where I got a news candle which actually got me a lot of profit. I've got a video right here that I can show you as a little spoiler. What is that candle? Oh my god. To summarise, in week 2 I've calmed down a bit. I've realised that I'm not going to pass the account probably for a while. I've took less trades and I've tried to be less emotional. I just need to work on my re-entries and fear of missing out next. That'll be it for week 2. Make sure to check back next week to see how I've progressed, and you can also see that big news candle in action.